Welcome to video lecture of class 10. I will teach you chemistry. Now start your first chapter is chemical reaction and equation. This is your second lecture of chapter first. In previous lecture we studies about chemical reaction and chemical equation. Also we studies about the balance of that reaction. Now here we studies about the types of chemical reaction. Actually chemical reaction involve the breaking and making of bonds between the atoms and to produce new substance. We will studies about the types of bond formed between the atoms in next chapter. Here we studies about types of chemical reaction. Now first type is combination reaction, second one is decomposition reaction, third one is displacement reaction, fourth one is double displacement reaction, and fifth one is redox reaction. This reaction can also says that oxidation and reduction reaction. Now we start our first type is combination reaction. Here what is combination reaction? First of all we figure out this word combination. Combination are form the words combine. Combine means mix up. Now what is combination reaction? Here when two or more substance combine to form a single product, such types of reaction are called combination reaction. That means when two or more substance in a reactant are form a single product, then is said to be combination reaction. Now it's clear that one examples. First example is calcium oxide plus water are form calcium hydroxide. That means when calcium oxide are mixed with water are form calcium hydroxide. This is slag line. Now here their reactant are 2 and product is single. Now this reaction is said to be combination reaction. These brackets are shows the states of the substance. Now S means solid, L means liquid, and AQ means aqueous. This is the format. Now your second example is burning of coal. That means carbon plus oxygen are mix up. This is a reactant and product is singles carbon dioxide CO2. This is a combination reaction. Third one is formation of water. That means hydrogen and oxygen are mix up or form water. Now for balancing we write down here 2 and here 2. Now 2 2 are 4. There are 4 molecule of H. Here is 4 molecule of H. Oxygen is 2. Here oxygen is 2. Now this is the example of combination reaction. Now we move our second type, decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? First of all we figure out this word decomposition or form the word decompose. It means split, break down into simpler or other. Now here when a single reactant breaks down to form a simpler product, then such types of reaction are called decomposition reaction. That means when a single reactant are break down and form a simpler product, that means more than two or two products. Okay. Now here decomposition reaction examples. First example is when ferrous sulfate are heated, then is decomposed into three parts. First ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide. Here ferrous sulfate is solid state, ferric oxide in solid state, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide both are in gaseous state. Now here heat in decomposition reaction also we note that if heat are carried in decomposition reaction, then that decomposition reaction is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Now your second example is calcium carbonate are heated or form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now here this is the single reactant or here product are 2. Now this is the decomposition reaction. Third one is silver chloride are decomposed in presence of sunlight or form silver and chlorine. Now this is the example of decomposition reaction. Using these decomposition reactions and combination reaction you can solve your homework. Your homework is balance the followings and identify the types of reaction. First is lead nitrate are heated or form lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. And the second one is AgBr silver bromide are decomposed in presence of sunlight or form silver and bromine. This can balance both equations and also identify the types of reaction. Thank you.